Oh, that's a great idea. Let's just throw someone in the water and let them drown. E- Excuse me. Why would those Pezzanine friends would want you to be by their side? Here's a riddle. 3 words. I hate you.
Well, that was a really pointless question. Have anything else to share? Sorry, but I would rather join a group who would kill me afterwards, not with some anger issue, inky person, a fire hazard, and a little miss. I'm so cute and adorable. Inky, you literally hate everyone. Everyone. Inky, how many times have I got to tell you I like torture, not murder? Just so you know, sister, I like fire, not water, not ice, not earth, not darkness. Fire, light, Fire. Here's a little education for you. There is different types of fire. Dark fire, normal fire, purple fire. It's in the name. Oh, come on, Inky. Please, 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 will you please sing? It would be fun. Oh my god, it's a little bean. Oh my god. I just want to squish your cheeks. It would not be hurtful. Oh my god. Oh, come on. You would never underestimate the beauty of the most original side ever. Her happiness, her feelings, her amazingness, her friendship instability. It's all in the name.